In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Fiverr affiliates. There's not a lot of competition with Fiverr affiliates as not so many people are using Fiverr affiliates to make money with affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of Fiverr affiliate marketing platform to make money online in passive income. So if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So all you need to do is to head over to affiliate.fiverr.com. And once you come over to this platform, there are two ways you can make money with Fiverr affiliate. The first one is Fiverr CPA and the second one is Fiverr hybrid. So what Fiverr CPA means is you're going to get paid between $15 to $150 for everyone you get to purchase something on Fiverr. While for Fiverr hybrid, you are going to get $10 upfront, and you are also going to get 10% of whatever that person spends on Fiverr in the next 12 months. All right, so if you scroll down, as you can see, the highest you are going to get paid is $150 for Fiverr CPA, which is the first one I talked about right here. So if you scroll down, you are going to see other ones that will pay you $50, $40, and the minimum is $15. Okay, so now what you are going to do from here is very simple. You want to head over to this website called gap.com. This website gets millions of visits every single month. So basically, for those who don't know, Gap is a social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and the likes, but it's not as popular as these big ones. It's absolutely free to create an account on this platform. So just like any platform, you want to look for a niche to target when it comes to doing affiliate marketing. So you want to come over to the search section of Gap and you want to type in any keyword for any niche you want to work with. So I'm going to take the fitness niche as an example, and all I need to do is to type in fitness right here. So once you type in fitness, you want to make sure to click on groups, and if you do this, you're going to see a lot of groups with a lot of members. You can see this one with 16,000 members on this platform. You can see another one with 2,000 members. If I keep scrolling down, you are going to see a lot of groups that you can use this strategy. Okay, so now that we can see that this platform has a lot of audience for this niche, so if I take this one here as an example, you can see this group with over 2,000 members. You can see people are posting content in this group, and definitely we are going to make money using this group. So now the next step is to grab an affiliate link, and to do that, all you need to do is to head over to fiverr.com and you want to type in fitness, since we are using fitness as an example. So if you type in fitness, you're going to see a lot of gigs that you can grab the link and start promoting these gigs and start earning money. So we are going to take this gig here as an example, which says I will make you a fully customized fitness program with a nutrition plan and diet. All right, so once you do that, you can see some before and after photos of using this guy's program, and you can see there are 3 others in queue, which tells you who are using this guy's services. And if they are using this guy's services, it means people are getting results using this guy. Okay, so all you need to do from here is to make sure to check what category this gig is. As you can see, it's under lifestyle. And now once you check that, you want to scroll down to the commission plan. All right, so you want to look for where lifestyle is. So as you can see, lifestyle is not under any of these categories, which means all other categories aside from the ones listed here will pay you only $15. All right, and keep in mind, I'm just only taking this gig here as an example. You can see this guy also charged minimum of $15 for anyone who purchased this gig. So all you need to do from here is to click on the link and you want to copy the link. So once you copy the link, you want to go back to your Fiverr account and you want to scroll to where it says marketing tools. And once you do that, you want to scroll to where it says default and deep links. And once you do this, this is where you want to come to this section that says landing page, LP URL, and you want to paste in the Fiverr link right here. And you want to click out of this. So once you click out of this, as you can see, you can grab a Fiverr CPA link, which means you are going to get paid $15 once someone purchases this gig. Or you can choose the hybrid plan, which means you are going to get paid $10 and you are going to get paid 10% of whatever that person purchased on Fiverr in the next 12 months. All right, so I always prefer to go with the Fiverr CPA. So once you copy the Fiverr link, all you need to do is to shorten this link. As you can see, the link is so long. You want to head over to a URL shortening website like tinyurl.com, and you want to paste in the link right here, and you want to click on shorten. So once you shorten the link, all you need to do is to go back to gab.com. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click to join this group. And once you join this group, this automatically allows you to post any content in this group. And all you just need to do is to come over to this section, and you want to make a simple post that is going to grab people's attention and make them want to purchase that Fiverr gig. And to do that, you can simply get free content on Google by typing in tips for fitness or whatever niche you're working with. Okay, so once you type in fitness tips for beginners, you can scroll down. You are going to see a lot of people who have made content on this keyword. So we are going to take the first one as an example. Once you come over to this page, I don't recommend you copy this page content, as you can get copyright issues. So all you need to do from here is to just copy the whole of this post. You want to head over to this website called Quillbot. So once you come over to this platform, so once you paste in the post right here, all you need to do is to click on paraphrase. All right, so once you do that, all you need to do is to wait for about a minute, and as you can see right here, it's going to generate the content for you, and all you need to do is to copy this paraphrased content. Okay, so once you copy it, all you need to do is to go back to your Gab account, and you want to paste it right here. So once you've typed in all of this content, you want to make sure to come somewhere at the top like this. All right, just before this article, you want to paste something like this. Number 1 recommended and trusted fitness expert that got many their dream body. Click here. So this is where you want to then paste your link that you shorten on any URL shortener of your choice. So you want to paste in the link something like this. So doing this is going to get a lot of people attention, and once they click on this link, it's going to bring people to this Fiverr gig. And once they purchase this plan, as you can see, this person has good rating on Fiverr and also has orders in queue, which is going to increase the chances of people purchasing this gig. All right, so all you need is 5 people purchasing this gig a day, and you're already making minimum of $100 every single day. And keep in mind, there are so many groups on gab.com. All you need to do is to post on several groups as much as possible. And keep in mind, you can do the same strategy on Facebook as well. Look for fitness groups on Facebook and join those groups and make the same post like this one. And I can assure you, you are going to start getting a lot of traffic to your Fiverr link, and you'll be making money in passive income. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on any of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to earn money online for free. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.